Chris, what does innovation mean to your company?
Renshaw's tagline is apply innovation. I like to think we do that across the whole business. We're an engineering company, technology-led, but it's not just about the products that we supply, the innovative products to other companies that they can utilise to make their brilliant innovative products globally. But it's also about innovation in process. The reason we can still continue to manufacture here in the UK is we've got loads of innovation within our processes we've developed ourselves, which means we can keep costs down and be efficient, produce quality day in, day out, and still manufacture in the UK, but not just in engineering, across our communications portfolio as well, whether it be HR, finance. We like to think we bring innovation to the business at all levels.
And what is the latest technology your company is most excited about?
That's a difficult one. We've got a lot of technology here at Renishaw, but I think the things that are exciting our customers the most, it probably excites us a lot as well, but certainly what's causing great excitement in the wider marketplace are products in healthcare. Some of the work that we're doing around neurosurgery, helping brain surgeons around the world to deliver therapies very, very accurately deep within the brain to treat things like Parkinson's, other degenerative diseases, also to look at how you better diagnose epilepsy, especially in childhood, and indeed to deliver drugs for compassionate treatments for terminal cancer. So these are really exciting areas in healthcare, but additive manufacturing or 3D printing, as it's well known, it's also an area technology excites people, not just engineers like us and geeky people like us, but also people in the general populace as well. And Renishaw is the only UK manufacturer of metal 3D printing machines, and that's a really exciting technology that's going to transform manufacturing over the coming decades.